both the tap, I am sure the Nuts and Agro Products Private Limited company is going to be on a very big way. As a Sheriff of Mumbai, on the behalf of 1 crore 20 lakhs people, Mr. Karwade ji, Mr. Shrikant ji and Amasai Patankar ji, Mr. Rajan, Mr. Nair, I am sure you will do very well, and all my best wishes as far as our Mumbaikars are concerned. And as the Diwali is approaching very fast, this is the right season. You must make the maximum use of it. I told Mr. Karwadia that do not wait for the elections and all these things. The elections will come and go, but then this is the right season, and I am sure you will make the maximum use of it, and Nuts and Agro Company will be one of the top company in Mumbai. I am sure of it. Thank you very much.
I request the Honorable Chief Guest to remain on stage. And I'd like to call upon Dr. Abba Sahib Patankar to present a bouquet to Sir. Thank you so much, Chief Guest. Thank you so much, sir. I also request Mr. Shivaji Rao Deshmukh, so please come up on stage to say a few words. Sir. Ladies and gentlemen, जो हम हिंदी में तालियां कहते हैं, अंग्रेजी में applause कहते हैं, मैं चाहता हूं कि आप please करें. Thank you.
Spiritual saint, God of the Pua, Param Pujya Gagangiri Maharaj, Sriman Abba Sahib Patankar, Vikram Singh Patankar, dear Srikant Parabji, Sriman Nair ji, my all brothers and sisters, this is a rare opportunity to have the quality brand production, and actually it is necessary in the modern world. If you have got the good quality, it is to be branded, and actually this is the real work that is going to be happen with concentration, and for that purpose actually the fruit like cashew nut, I call it is a fruit of poor people. Actually it is in the hilly area. It is in the inaccessible area. You will try your level best to go in every part of the world, and even in the Maharashtra and the rest of the country. But at the same time, you are going to give the direct employment, indirect employment to the poor people of Satara, those who are in the inaccessible area. I feel when we are having some challenge to go to the several countries in the world, and even in the entire India, you will have to maintain a quality. You must have the best brand, and you must have the chain of marketing. I heard something about Mr. Pillai. He has got the outstanding experience for the last 40 years. In our country, several people are trying their level best to produce certain attempts. But unfortunately, we have not the chain of marketing, and hence, in several cases, the persons are facing several difficulties. And for that purpose, you all, Mr. Parab Nayar, Mr. Abbasab, and your finance member all have tried your level best to see that Nuts Agro Private Limited is going to be one of the best branded concern, not in Maharashtra, but in the rest of the country and the world. I will request to Mr. Abbas Sahib, who hails from the inaccessible area of Satara. He is from the royal family of Patankars. He is a representative of all Patankars and all poor people of Satara district. You try to encourage that poor mass, those who are going to give you the real cashew nut. And if you will try your level best to establish that this product is going to be one of the finest product, at the same time we must see the human being is also developed. You better have that idea in your mind. Jai Hind.
धन्यवाद सर, आप अगर स्टेज पर थोड़ी देर के लिए रुकें, we would request you to be on stage please. Ladies and gentlemen, ये थे हमारे साथ श्री शिवाजी राव देशमुख, सभापति विधान परिषद महाराष्ट्र राज्य. आप इनका तालियों से स्वागत कीजिएगा प्लीज. और मैं चाहूंगा कि हमारे मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर द डायनामिक श्रीकांत स्टेज पर आकर इन्हें बुके दे. Shri Deshmukh ji, thank you so much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I request Mr. S.N. Nair, Vice President of Nuts and Agro, to present Shri Gagan Giri Maharaj with a bouquet of flowers as a mark of respect. Nair Sahab, I request you to do the honors. महाराज जी, धन्यवाद कि आप हमारे साथ रहे, and I hope you bless this occasion as well. With him around, I already feel so divine, and this place is lighting up tremendously. Now I'd request Mr. Rajnikant Karavadia to please present a bouquet to Mr. Rajmohan Pillai, Chairman of the Beta Group, as a token of appreciation. Thank you so much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you all have been waiting for. It's time to unveil the star pack of the year of the Nut King brand, Nut